Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and enjoying your vacation as well as online classes. So today I am going to teach you English course unit 6 and the chapter name is Gentle Giants. So in this chapter we will see the two animals like giraffe and elephant. Now, before starting the chapter, I just request all of you to please stay at home and spend your quality time with your families, like playing the Ludo in all indoor games. And I must guess that you guys had completed healthy and delicious breakfast. So please eat healthy and stay safe. So I guess that you all are receiving the homework which you have to do in separate wise copies. Like in last all classes I have told that in English course it is you have to do homework. If it is course, then you have to write down in course copy. If it is in literature, then you have to write down in literature copy. In last all classes I think I have teach you English literature. So from today I am going to teach you again English course chapter 6. So here we go. Now, big people usually take advantage of their size. So, if suppose that if big people are there, they are usually taking all the advantages. But there are two giants in the animal world who, despite being very big, are calm and gentle. So, let us find that who are they. Now, the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. So we all know that the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Its long neck helps to reach the leaves in tall trees. So with the help of long neck, he reached the tall trees to eat all that leaves. It also helps it to keep a lookout for lions. So it also, like long neck is also helps for the giraffes to look out that where is the lions. Giraffes have spots on their bodies like the leopards. So I might guess that you guys had seen the giraffe in zoo, in television and in cartoon characters. So it has spots on their bodies in like a leopards. So just see the picture that here I am going to show you the picture of giraffes. So here is the spotted on his body. Then they sleep standing up and they only sleep for 10 minutes to 2 hours in a day. And giraffe, in fact, if they are standing on standing position also they can sleep, and they can sleep at least for 10 minutes or for 2 hours in a day. They are very gentle and peace loving animals. They never fight with each other. So like animals, tigers and these all are fighting with each others, but giraffe are very gentle, very peace and loving animals. They living like a friendly. They are not fighting with each other. The elephant is the heaviest land animal. So I think you might guess that you are knowing about more learn more about the giraffe. So only this much is in this chapter. So I'm going to teach you right now in about the elephant. So elephant is, you all know that, have you seen the elephants in cartoon characters, and he has long neck, trunks and teeth and his heavy feet. So it is very heaviest animal. Elephants have very long tongue. So just, can you see this picture? I'm going to show you this picture. He has very long neck. Here is the picture, like long neck here, and two teeth are there. The white one, which it's a teeth. Elephants are gentle animals too. Elephants also is gentle animals like giraffe. They don't usually hurt other creatures. Creatures like the other animals, birds, monkeys, and it not hurts the others also. They laugh and just cry like a humans. In fact, the elephants, he can laugh also and he can feel. He has the feelings and he can cry also like humans, like we are crying and laughing. Hum a sad tune and you will see tears rolling down their faces. When you see closer to the elephant, then you found that some white that tears comes out from his eyes. Then they are also very loving and kind. It means that elephant is also very loving and it is very kindful animals. They show love for each other by wrapping their trunks together. So his long trunks, with the help of that trunks, he's showing their loves with the others. And if you want to know more about the elephants, then just watch the next videos. I hope till here you guys had understood about the giraffe, and for the next information about the elephants, you just watch the next video. Have a great time and thank you.